Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. Today we are unboxing something super exciting, the brand new Apple MacBook M4 Pro 14-inch with standard display in this stunning space black color. Let's dive right in and see what's inside. Here it is, the sleek MacBook box. Here is the front with the signature MacBook branding. Apple always nails its minimalist packaging. The back with some specs and the clean sides. Alright, let's open this beauty. Time to remove these satisfying strips. Now let's lift the lid, and there it is, the MacBook M4 Pro wrapped in this premium paper covering. Let's put this aside for a moment and see what else we have got in the box. First up, the charging cable. Look at this, it's black to match the space black MacBook. Nice touch from Apple. It comes with USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable for fast charging support. Next we have the classic design by Apple in California booklet. Inside there is a documentation which includes warranty info, quick setup guide and more. Pretty standard but always nicely presented. Now here is a 70-watt USB-C power adapter. It's compact and clean as always, but honestly it would have been great if it matched the MacBook in black. Still it's functional. You have got the Type-C port at the back and removable plug adapter for travel. Let's move on to the main event. The MacBook M4 Pro itself, wrapped in this protective paper. Let's carefully take it off. And wow, look at that space black finish. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's check out the ports. On the right side, we have a Thunderbolt 5 port, HDMI port, and SDXC card slot. Swiping to the left side, there is a MagSafe 3 charging port, 2 more Thunderbolt 5 ports, and a headphone jack. It's time to open it up. Now let's take a closer look at the keyboard. Backlit Magic Keyboard with Touch ID sensor for secure logins, and check out these speaker grills, subtle but powerful. It's time to open it up. Let's remove this protective sheet. And there it is, the 14.2 inches standard display. It's sharp, vibrant and ready to get to work. Let's power it on and go through the setup. First we get the welcome screen, where we will click next and select the language. Then pick your country and configure the accessibility options if needed. After connecting to Wi-Fi, if it asks for your Apple ID, we will skip that for now and go with a local account to keep it simple. Most features like Touch ID and themes can be set up later. And we are in. Here is the home screen of MacBook M4 Pro. So that's all about the unboxing of the MacBook M4 Pro. From the sleek space black design to the powerful specs, this is a serious machine. Let me know in the comments what you think of the new MacBook. And if you want me to cover a full review or performance test, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.